Have you ever heard about colon cleanse? Many people suffer from digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome, leaky gut, and chronic constipation. Do you suffer from any of these issues or know someone who does? The digestive system is essential, as it is the one who supplies nutrients to the rest of our body. Sometimes it is necessary to do a colon cleanse. It may sound a little weird, but doing a colon cleanse will contribute to your health. Many people that live with the digestive issues cited above can find relief with this easy practice. All you need is 4 simple ingredients: apple, lemon, ginger, and sea salt. All those ingredients work together to cleanse the colon and improve the absorption of nutrients in your body. Is this video being helpful? Then don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends. Let's learn a little bit about each ingredient. Apples have a wide range of health benefits, including the ability to remove cholesterol and other toxins from the digestive tract. An organic apple juice made at home is perfect for colon cleansing. Lemon juice is a superfood that works for all kinds of detox. It improves digestion and is rich in vitamin C. Do you have the habit of drinking lemon juice in the morning to boost your health? Ginger, on the other hand, is a powerful root that works wonders in a homemade colon cleanse. It promotes digestion and good blood circulation. It makes the digestive system move and clean itself quickly. And lastly, sea salt. It contributes to ideal hydration, improves digestion, and helps the body release toxins. Besides, this salt is full of extra minerals, which makes it perfect for a homemade colon cleanse. All the components work together to do a powerful cleansing in your colon. Write down the ingredients: 1/2 cup organic apple juice, pressed at home, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon ginger juice, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, 1/3 cup filtered water. Directions: pour the water in a pot and slowly heat it. Once it cools down, pour it in a cup or glass and add the sea salt. Stir until well mixed. Add the apple, lemon, and ginger juices, and stir again. Drink this mixture 10 minutes before every meal. Note, it is essential to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water per day at room temperature for the cleansing to be effective. Although this recipe has few contraindications, people with chronic diseases, pregnant women, or people who take prescribed medications must talk to a health professional before drinking it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.